Yo, it's your boy Merle Dog coming back at you right here on your Merle Dog Facebook. Give him dog. Listen, I got another hot jam coming for y'all. Requested by Kevin Coates. And it goes out to Charles Lawson. And so we are going to shout him out a hot little jam on the back road to Old 41. So listen, y'all stay tuned and hope y'all like it. Here we go. Let's kick it up. Charles Johnson, he builds equipment for the linemen, 40 hours a week, working so hard, but then on the weekends he dresses up as Batman and superheroes like Thor and Spider-Man and goes to kids' birthday parties and festivals and events and has even been to the Ronald McDonald House for them kids with the cancer. Yeah, that's Trio Talk. He's doing it big for the kids, but during the week, he's working 40 hours on a daily. Getting things ready for them linemen, working on that equipment. Yeah, just a country boy living his life down a back road. He's a super friend, a superhero. Off a back road, a real life superhero. Doing real life things, man. He's out there doing it for them kids. He's working hard 40 hours for a week. Then he's dedicating his off time to them kids. Dressing up as Batman, dressing up as Spider-Man. Whatever them kids want to see. He can do it cause he's up in that superhero game. Marvel Avengers, DC, he's gonna get it. Superman to Batman, Spider-Man to Thor. Yeah, that's Trio Talk. Up off a back road, you can see him shine and grind. From Frank Castle all the way up the line. Yeah, he's gonna get it, he's a superhero. To all them kids, every time he puts that suit on and pops off in that Ronald McDonald House. Yeah, he's gonna do it big. Working 40-hour week for a living. Getting that lineman's equipment ready so they can climb up the pole and do the work, yo. Yeah, that's Trio Talk. Get them linemen ready so they can rock and roll and keep it going down the line. But when the weekend comes, you can catch him dressing up as superheroes, headed to where the kids are having a birthday party, or maybe down at the Ronald McDonald House at the hospital, doing it for them kids that are struggling with whatever they got. Yeah, that's Trio Talk. He's a real one. Watch how he walk up and down a back road. He's a real life human superhero. Yeah, he's gonna get it. He ain't no zero. No, 100. Put that on a check. Sign it and send it out the door. He's a hero. A winner, a hero. Yeah, a fighter, a winner. He works so hard, 40 hours a week for a living. Yeah, getting linemen ready to go down the line and keep it going in time. Yeah, he's gonna hustle and grind. He's gonna stay and shine. He's gonna do it big like he always does. Dressing up as superheroes like Spider-Man, Deadpool, Frank Castle, Batman, Superman, whatever his flavor for the day or whatever them kids like. He gonna dress up like it and go do it for them kids. Yeah, putting smiles on their faces. Oh yeah. Blow, wow, wow, wow. Y'all keep her locked in and tuned in. I got more of your hot jams coming down the old back roads of 41. Blow. Stay tuned.